140, downshift, downshift, downshift. There you go. See what I mean? Roll into that throttle. Beautiful. That was it. Off the gas, tight to the right. Anything you've ever driven. And like I said, high-powered go-kart, man. It's so sick. Hold your foot on the brake. Go ahead and pull that right paddle. There you go. We'll give plenty of room on the left there. Nice. Upshift. And 30 miles an hour, brake check. Now the brake's going to feel a little bit different than anything you've had before because there's no power booster. So it's a true, like, manual brake. So you really got to press it. Yeah, we're all clear. Yep. Go ahead and start feeding that throttle. Hug that right side. It's going to kind of kick on you a little bit. There it is. Brake to that orange cone. There you go. Wait for the throttle. Now go get it. There you go. Then off the gas. Keep digging. There you go. Upshift. Look for that blue cone. Go right for it. Brake to that blue. Coast. Upshift. Yeah, there you go. Brake hard. 140. Downshift. 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 There you go. See what I mean? On the throttle, out to the right. Let's go get it. Brake hard to the orange. Downshift to third. Keep it out wide. Dive it down really hard. Wait for the throttle. Now get it. Go get it. Yep. There you go. Off the gas, tight to the right. Bring in third or second. Second. Let's go shift to third. Yeah, you go. Hug that left side. Feed that throttle. Go get that blue cone. Upshift. Yeah, off the gas. Tight to the right. Feed that throttle a little bit. Brake hard. Downshift. Coast. Roll into that throttle. There you go. Keep digging. Upshift. Look for that blue cone. Brake to the blue. Coast. Hug that left side. Feed that throttle. Keep digging for the blue. Brake to the blue. Downshift. Turn all the way down to the bottom. Roll that throttle out to the right. There you go. Upshift. 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 Pretty hard. 142. Real hard. Help you a little bit. Downshift. Coast. There you go. Hug that left side. Feed that throttle. There you go. Brake to that orange cone. Downshift to third. Coast. Turn all the way down to the bottom. Roll into that throttle. Beautiful. That was it. Off the gas. Tight to the right. There you go. Feed that throttle a little bit. Now hold that quarter throttle through this corner. Go get that blue cone. Upshift. Off the gas. Tight to the right. Now we're gonna wait for this car to give us the okay to pass, which will be probably after this next corner. Go ahead and pass on the left. Downshift. Let's go get that blue cone. Upshift to fourth. Keep digging for the blue cone. Brake to the blue. One more brake. Coast. There you go. Now feed that throttle. It's all right. Hug that left side. Go get that blue cone. Brake to the blue. Downshift to third. Keep tight to the bottom. Roll in that throttle. Let's go get it. Downshift, coast, roll into that throttle. All the way up to that brake zone. And brakes. And that's your 3 laps. Good job, man. So what'd you think?
Beautiful.
Isn't it sick? Upshift to 5th. And we'll cruise around at 40. Heck yeah, man. Hell of a job.
Thanks.
Pretty sick though, right? You know, it's funny. Someone says, oh man, I'd do that on the freeway. It's like, oh yeah? But did you do 142 and then turn right into your driveway? And they're like, no. And I'm like, all right, well, there you go. At 70 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour. So how'd you like it?
Oh, I love it.
And it, so
Probably my favorite.
this thing is a lot of fun. And we'll pull up pretty much right next to where that...
Yeah. You know, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel.